Hey YouTube and everybody out there, I wanted to make a video on my Milwaukee packout and why I chose it. That's the packout that I got. I got it for Christmas. Santa was real good to me. Actually, it was my wife. She knows me, and I love her for that. Well, I got the bag like 2 years ago, and I really wanted the rest of the setup that you see here. It's the most versatile, durable, modular storage system, plus durable and polyvent. I love it. It's the most, carries all my tools all the way around. Best thing I've invested in, That way I don't have to go back and forth to grab tools. It does have a wheels on it, so you can roll it anywhere. Wheels are real durable. It says it can carry up to, I think, 250 pounds. That's pretty damn good. And it works really good on basically any surface. I'm going to show y'all. There's a button here to take your basically dolly in and out. It's pretty durable. And everything locks into place with the push of a button. I got my drills on the top. Couple of things for the drill setup. All you do is press this button, take it off, and you can lock it back in place after. It's pretty easy. Pretty good locks. You can also lock it on every one of these. You got an extension cord. I also got a Milwaukee, it's like a saw hatchet. Keep it in that one right there. I love it.